My name is Eric Allen. I bought this home we have here about 2.5 years ago, and Moving Mountains has been managing it for me since then. So when my wife and I bought this house, we wanted to eventually retire here. But there's a long time between now and retirement. And so we wanted to be able to rent out the home, but be assured that the house would not depreciate in value. So the folks in Moving Mountains actually know this home really better than I know the home. They know the systems, they know the Wi-Fi, the fireplace, the sauna, the hot tubs. Their ability to manage those systems is really important when you rent out a high-end home. Moving Mountains has allowed us to achieve this great balance of still driving plenty of rental income, but without deteriorating our home in the least. And this home has been able to appreciate during this time while I'm also earning some rental income. We know that this house is very well taken care of, not just when we are here, but when renters are here. And that was a very simple decision for me when I met the staff at Moving Mountains to realize that they were the right people to manage our home.